Hi, Kelly. I'm going to show you how to create a quiz on Quizizz. What you need to do is first create an account. Just go to quizizz.com and sign in through Google using your CPSED account. All right, so you'll get to this page, and right here on the left, you can see Create a Quiz. Just click on that. You can name the quiz. Let's say it's energy. Okay, you could put a picture if you'd like. Put the subject, yours would be science, obviously, and then click Create Quiz. And my computer's a little slow, so let's see. Oh, pick a relevant class for your quiz. Okay. All right, so you can find existing questions that are out there, or create a new question. Type your question. You can make it um, multiple choice. You could add images if you want as clues. This is the delete button if you make a mistake, want to get rid of a question. Okay. And there's even a timer how long the students have to answer the questions once the game starts. All right, so that's it. You could even have multiple answers if you want. You know, if you have more than one correct answer. And then save it and then go on to the next question. And that's basically it. It's very easy to create a quiz. But what I would suggest is if you want to create a quiz, say on energy, um, just search for quizzes that are already out there. Okay, and they give you the grade level, sixth grade. Here's an eighth grade quiz. You can see there are 20 questions. On the right hand side, there are 20 questions. You could see the questions or just click on the quiz. And what you can do is duplicate that quiz. Now it'll be in your quizzes, okay, right here. And I can open it up and edit the quiz. So if I like the questions that are there, I can leave them. I can delete them, clicking the garbage pail here, or I can edit them and change the answers. Sometimes I find I have a good question, but the answers are screwy, they're too easy, they're too hard. I can edit and change the question, the wording of the question, because some are made by students, and there might be misspellings. I could change or adjust the answers and then save them. And I can even delete an entire question if I don't like it. And I can create a new question up here. And then when you're done, you click Finish. It'll be saved in your quizzes. And that's it. Pretty easy stuff. If you have any more questions, just let me know.